buyers. Here is what nobody is telling you about the housing market. The market is not slow, it is just smart. If you know what to look for, you will win. But if you are trying to time the market, let me save you some time by saying it won't happen. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, your trusted real estate expert in the Bay Area. Whether you are buying, selling, or just trying to figure out the market, I am here to give you the truth with clarity and confidence. To be smart in today's housing market, it is about understanding what moves it. So, what causes real estate market to fluctuate? First, interest rates. Mortgage rates rise and fall, and that directly impacts how much house people can afford. Rates go down and then buyers get off the fence. But when rates rise, their strategy shifts. Then there is inventory. Low supply drives prices up. However, if more homes come on the market, that gives buyers room to negotiate. As a buyer and seller, you need to be aware of and watch your local inventory. Another indicator is consumer confidence. Confidence is the key. When people feel good about the economy, they act. When they are uncertain, they pause, and that creates the opportunities for the savvy ones. And finally, we have buyer psychology. This is the most underrated one. Perception drives action. If people think prices will rise or fall, they adjust even if the data might say otherwise. Bottom line is, there is never a perfect time, just a perfect plan. Reach out to my team and I so we can prepare a winning strategy and plan for you. Whether buying or selling, our track record speaks for itself. Doing hundreds of transactions in real estate year after year has given me an unmatched understanding of what buyers and sellers looking for. I will walk you through every step and make sure you are set up to make a smart and confident move. Message me directly or drop a comment below. I would love to help you to get started. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area with a tradition of excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Have a wonderful day.